Good morning, guys. It is July 8th on this Sunday morning. Look at how high the water came up now. The sheriff and the counties they said it's supposed to crest this morning or maybe later this afternoon. Drone footage, I think it's supposed to crest already, and hopefully after today it should be going downhill. So I'll give you guys a little update of what it's doing with some drone footage. Get a closer look at this. Alright guys, look, there's the walleye. There used to be three tiered rock tiers here. You can't even see it now. Alright, so we're gonna put up the drone, you guys. Let you see some closer up footage. Alright, bud, let's go check our shop, dad's shop here. Alright, let's see if water got into the shed here. I think the shed is still good. Look at that, 2 to 3 inches left, but alright guys, look at all the water came in here. Oh my god, it's deep, look at how deep it is. We got about 4 inches before it reaches.
I almost caught a minnow. I want to catch minnows.
So we should still be good. There's minnows?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, baby minnows.
I'm gonna try catching one so we can put it in the bait shop for a baby minnow.
Alright guys, we got about maybe
Dad, I caught a minnow.
Caught a minnow?
It's live.
So we got about 4 inches, you guys, before it enters into our shed. And look, it just went through that.
We didn't. My shorts are gonna get wet.
Okay. A lot of water, guys. I'm hoping it crushed already. Hoping it really did.
There was literally like 10 minnows, like 50.
We got a lot of traffic coming by the highway here. Not sure if it's just traffic or is it just people coming to check out the flood, you guys. But a lot of people been slowing down on this corner here, right next to our shop. Usually people fly by, just like, you know, you don't get time to cross the street. Now it's starting to look like a parade. Traffic, and there's somebody sitting over there. There's people canoeing over there. We got 2 canoers over on the other side of the street. Alright guys, so this is it for this this update here in Jackson, Minnesota. If further updates will be in the we're going back to the Can't Knock the Hustle episodes. This is just what would you call this? News break on our channel. so we will continue with the regular Can't Knock the Hustle episodes, and to the ones that are joining just for the Jackson view or Jackson info, if you want to stay and watch the rest of the hustle and everything I do, please do so. And to the ones that don't, appreciate you guys stopping by and viewing and checking to see how Jackson's doing. So thank you guys, appreciate everybody for the views and support, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification button on our channel. So thank you. Later guys.